Hello everyone, welcome back to Hacks channel. So today I want to share the tutorials how to make Google Doc editable. So here, first thing we need to do is open the applications first and then choose which document that you want to share it into your friends. So I would like to choose this documents. Okay, and now the document is already open. So how to make it editable? You just need to click the three little button on the upper right side, and then you can choose the share and export, and then you can click the manage access. And now you can change either anyone with a link, and then make sure that it's not restricted but in anyone with a link. And then you just need to choose the viewer into the editor. Right, and now you just need to click the link button over here and get the link copied on your phone. And once already copied on your phone, you can share the link to your friends that you want them to edit these documents to. So that's all for today's tutorial. Don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.